The Audio Clip Mixer panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful tool for fine-tuning the audio levels of individual clips within your sequence. Here's what it does. 1. Adjust clip volume. You can adjust the volume of each audio clip independently. This is useful for balancing levels between different clips. 2. Apply effects. You can add audio effects to individual clips. Effects such as equalization, reverb, and compression can be applied and adjusted in real time. 3. Automation. You can automate volume changes over time by recording fader movements or manually adding keyframes. This is useful for creating smooth transitions between different audio levels. 4. Pan control. You can adjust the stereo pan of each audio clip, moving the sound from left to right in the stereo field. 5. Mute and solo. You can mute individual clips or solo them to listen to one track at a time, making it easier to isolate and adjust specific audio elements. The Audio Clip Mixer panel provides precise control over your audio, helping you to create a well-balanced and polished sound mix.